Radhavalapsiri Harivans, let's see how to solve this questions. Prove that 1 by root 2 is a rational number. This is the 10th class math and which is important for the CBSE and Jac board and also important for the other state boards. If you don't watch the part 1 of this classes, so please go and watch from the playlist because I have already uploaded all these things. And I shown the many questions for how to solve and prove that the given number is a rational number. Okay, so here I have taken in the fraction form or 1 by 2 format form. So we can simply write here 1 by root 2 under equals to a by b, where b equal not 0 and a and b are the co-prime number. Co-prime numbers are the prime numbers which has no more than one common factors. Okay, that means the HCF of these two number is the always 1. So these are called the co-prime number. So in this basis we can say 1 by root 2 equals to a by b. We need to try make the complete, okay, rational and irrational. That means we try to make the rational and irrational in the both the side. So here first of all we try to make the rationalization in the both the side by the root under 2. So I got like root under 2 by root under 4 equal to a by b. So next step you can write root under 2 by 2 equals to a by b. So simply take the cross multiplication and finally we remove and take the separations on both the side. Here root 2 is the irrational and 2a by b is the here the rational number. So since you can write like a and b are the integers, therefore 2a by b is a rational number, but root 2 is occurring here the irrational, but in the contradicts we can show like and root 2 is also the rational number, in brackets you can write contradicts. Okay, so our assumption is incorrect that 1 by root 2 is a rational number. Hence 1 by root 2 is a irrational number. This is verified and this is the way to prove the such questions. So on this basis you can solve many types of the question because these statements act as the format or ways to solve the such type of the problems, and this may be the asked in the examinations, and these questions will be carried for the 3 marks. So if you don't know about this question how to solve and you have the confusion about these questions, comment me and share, and also subscribe my the channel for the latest videos and many difficult types of the question. So I will provide for you, and thanks for watching. I will meet the next classes. Till then, goodbye.